Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. What are you doing? What are you doing? Actions! Video 23 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series. Okay, let's start. Actions. I am sleeping in my van. I am sleeping in a tent. He is wearing goggles. He is wearing a stocking. She is drinking beer. She is drinking juice. He is playing the tambourine. She is playing the conga drum. He is eating eggs. She is eating a croissant. Do you? Do you sleep in your van? Do you sleep in a tent? Do you wear goggles? Do you wear a stocking? Do you drink beer? Do you drink juice? Do you play the tambourine? Do you play the conga drum? Do you eat eggs? Do you eat croissants? Conversation. I am sleeping in my van. Do you usually sleep in your van? No, but I am today. I am sleeping in a tent. Do you usually sleep in a tent? No, but I am today. I am wearing goggles. Do you usually wear goggles? No, but I am today. I am wearing a stocking. Do you usually wear a stocking? No, but I am today. I am drinking beer. Do you usually drink beer? No, but I am today. I am drinking juice. Do you usually drink juice? No, but I am today. I am playing the tambourine. Do you usually play the tambourine? No, but I am today. I am playing the conga drum. Do you usually play the conga drum? No, but I am today. I am eating eggs. Do you usually eat eggs? No, but I am today. I am eating a croissant. Do you usually eat croissants? No, but I am today. Okay, great job. Yes. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all of my videos and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.